Hi there, hope you're doing good. Okay, you want a different format which is compatible with Excel. The CSV file is also 100% fully compatible with Excel, but I just made the change. So I'll just update the values again, the main data. Let this complete and you will get an XLSX based, which is a later format of Excel and its own format. You will get the file in that one. Hope that will make you satisfy or something. So I'll be very grateful if you can please, after getting satisfied results, please leave a feedback on the order completion page. I'll be grateful for that. So you can see it's done. I've clicked it and I'm getting the XLSX format. You can see this at the bottom on the left bottom. It's XLSX format, so which is 100% compatible, which is Excel's own format. So yeah, you can see this is basically an XLSX format data. So I think that's what you are asking for. So please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you.